Hey everyone, and welcome to Beauty for the Win. I have the Morrocanoil color depositing mask that I am going to try for you today. I bought this from Sephora and it's actually a lot smaller than I thought, the package. I thought that maybe it would be a little bit bigger, maybe by that much. Maybe just a bit bigger, but I'm not going to complain because I'm really excited to try it. Not only is it a color treatment, a temporary color treatment, but it's also moisturizing. It's a hair mask at the same time. This is rose gold color and it says for light blonde to medium blonde hair. So if you look on the back here, it says that you are going to apply a generous amount to clean towel dried hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hair with shampoo, no conditioner. I'm going to towel dry it and I will be right back. So I'm back and I've sectioned my hair. Up here is mostly where all my blonde is. So down here I'm just going to tie this in a little ponytail at the back so I don't have to worry about that. And this is the main part that I'll be doing. I know my hair's crazy right now. It's just from the blonde. I'm going to put my gloves on and start applying. And it says to leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. I'll be doing the full 7 minutes and then rinse. It's in a squeeze tube. Here's the color, pink. So I'm just gonna literally start applying. You can section your hair better than I did. You can do it in 4 spots, which is a little bit easier for most. Oh, it smells really good. You know the Morrocanoil original hair oil that they have? That's exactly what it smells like. So good. So here's what it looks like. I kept going over this blonde part, but it didn't really go on it. I don't know if that's because my hair might be a little bit too wet instead of more damp. But yeah, I would definitely suggest if you have longer hair like me, get the bigger mask because look, completely empty, and I probably could have saturated it more. They do have a bigger mask. It's in like a tube. But this is just for trying out, so I mean if I want to do this again I can always get the bigger tube. So 7 minutes and I'll rinse it out and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I think the lighting's pretty good outside right now, so I came outside to do this, but I wanted to show you the after result. My hair is fully dry and the ends are really smooth, less frizz. So this hair mask is really good. The color, I wish it would be a little bit more bright, but I can't complain. Like, look, it's like cotton candy. So I do really like this hair mask. The only thing is I would probably make my hair just a slight bit drier and more damp than it was wet, as well as buy a bigger tube. Instead of buying just like the tryout size, I'd buy the higher size up, the big tube. Also, I don't know how many washes this will last for, but I'm assuming not very many. I will update it in the description. Here's the ends. The ends don't have as much color as up top, but they are very smooth. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Stay tuned for more beauty.